Hi all friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, MERANGKUM WARNA. Now we will color pictures, rainbow footwear. Before coloring, let's draw it first.
Yeah!
Footwear with sunflower images. Hello my friends, do you like wearing footwear?
Yeah!
Now, the kid will draw the next footwear. After we finished drawing it, now we will color it. The first color is yellow. Next is red. Orange. Light blue. Pink. Green. I'm already finishing my rainbow footwear, friends.
Yeah!
Hi my friends, the last color is blue. Finished, friends. Thank you for watching my video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.